Hello. Howdy. How are you?
Good, man. Frank.
I'm Alex.
Take that for me.
Yeah, of course.
I'm trying to clean up here. And
Yeah.
appreciate it. I'm on a vector. Oh, you're gonna get up there.
It's all right. It's part of it.
Can I ask for a favor?
Yeah.
Can you move that little white thing for me?
Yeah. This white thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Towel warmer for barbers. Please.
Yeah.
He doesn't. Thank you, bro.
Cool. Of course.
Appreciate it,
Of
man.
course.
Appreciate it.